Welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create t-shirt designs, Christmas t-shirt designs in Canva. And so this is the design that I'm going to be going over in this video, and this is going to be part one. And I'm going to be doing two more videos where I'm going to go over two different other ways that you can make designs or different designs that you can create in Canva for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. This one was created 100% in Canva, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I created this design. We have this customization right here as well. So we're going to go ahead and hit Add Page. And what I did was I went over and I got this. We went over to the elements, and you're going to type in Christmas backgrounds, and it's this one right here that says Christmas seamless background. And so I went and got that one. I selected it, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put it on a blank page like this. Go ahead and hit, okay, we can't set it as the background, but we're going to go ahead and stretch it out to cover the whole page. And then you're going to go ahead and download this as a PNG. I'm going to show you why in a second. So you're going to go ahead and hit share, download PNG, and download that page that you have that looks like this. And you can go ahead and do this for any of these backgrounds, Christmas backgrounds that you want to go within the font. But this is the one that I chose for this particular design. And then what you want to do is go over to apps, and you want to type in font frame. It's going to be this blue one with the F, and you're going to go ahead and select that. And so like I always talk about in all of my videos about this, you want to make sure that you are creating designs that if they are in a high niche, high demand niche, that you always niche down. So, for this example, we're doing nurses, but you want to make sure that you create specific designs to be able to get seen more. Maybe NICU nurses, ER nurses, different type of nurses, school nurse. So anyways, we have nurse here, and we have this one right here as the font. And we're going to go ahead and we have the outline as border weight as 19. And you can adjust that as to what you like, and as well as the color of the border. And then you're going to go ahead and use your image. So, select your image. So you're going to hit choose file. And you're going to choose the file that you just downloaded. And you can move it around like this to show what is showing in the letters. And then once you like how it looks, you can go ahead and hit add to your design. And now you have just created a new font or text effect to go with your Christmas theme. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, delete this. I'm going to have this right here. I actually think for this one I used a different font. I'm trying to think of which one did I use. I think maybe I used this one. I don't remember the specific one that I used. You can go ahead and increase the border, as you can see here. That looks more like it. So we have a border of about 66. Hit add to your design. So you definitely have to play with it. I apologize, I don't remember what font that I used, But just for the example, so that I don't stay too long on this, this is how it's going to look. And as you can see that I can increase the border size to fit your design. We're going to go ahead and delete that. And then the next thing you want to do is to make this customized to be able to sell on Etsy or your website. You're going to go ahead and add some regular font. So we're going to go over to text and add text. And then I'm going to go ahead and put Nurse Jackie. If you know, you know. And then for the name, I always like to use like a cursive style, but you can use whatever one that you want. I think it just adds that more nice look to it. So I'm going to go over here, and I used in Amsterdam 1 as the name font. So you can go ahead and type that in if it's not already right there. And then we're going to make this not capitalized. You don't ever want to capitalize cursive font because it doesn't look good. And then we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Always adjust until you like how it's sized. We're kind of going to make it a little bit in the middle, kind of a little bit over the words. And then the next thing you're going to do is go over to Elements, and you're going to type in Christmas. This is what I typed in first, a broad search, because I didn't know what I wanted to use yet. But for my design, I used this hat right here. It said Santa hat. Then we're going to go ahead, and I made sure to center it, place it directly on the end, like that. And then I used these little ornaments right here, Christmas ball illustration. Simple is always better, so I didn't want to do too much with this design. And so we put it right here by the E, and we're going to go ahead and position it backwards so it's behind the letter E. And that is it. This is how you go ahead and create this custom t-shirt design for nurses. And like I said, you can make this your own. For the inside of the words, you can choose whatever background that you want. And you don't have to necessarily do this for nurses. You can copy this same tutorial or for teachers, for moms, for dads, for anybody, doctors, whoever you want to make this niche for. And so this is how to create a simple but nice design for a Christmas t-shirt. And so this is one way where you can use all of your elements directly in Canva. So I'm going to go.
Hi guys, and I thank you and appreciate you guys for making it all the way to the end of this video. I am going to be coming up with part 2 very, very soon. So please subscribe so that you don't miss part 2 of making Christmas t-shirt designs, and have a great day. Bye-bye.